her and take her to Africa.
Yeah. You're gonna come on YouTube. Yeah.
So I'm touring.
You're gonna hug me.
You don't want me to hug you?
No, sure. Yeah. Do you also get that anger, or do you feel like I wish I'm in Africa, I wish to be in Africa, or I wish to be called an African or something like that?
Yeah, we Jamaican.
Yeah.
The teaching what we get bad about Africa.
Really?
Yeah. So if you talk to someone and you try to touch Africa, some of them vex.
Okay.
When you talk to a Rastaman, Africa.
Okay. So why will a Rastaman accept that and other will not accept and get angry or get vexed?
Okay. In Jamaica we talk about brainwash.
Okay.
In Jamaica, when you're going to school,
Yeah.
the way they teach us,
Okay.
they teach us far away from Africa.
Wow.
Yeah. So in our living, our trading, we Rastafari.
Okay.
We found out, so we have a place named Africa.
Okay.
Because when we go into school, they don't teach you nothing about Africa.
Really?
Yeah, but in our growing up,
You got to know that.
we got to know, we know about Africa. Yeah, know it's our land. We know say Africa the first human being.
Yeah, the black race.
Black race.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we touch ourselves to Africa. And
Okay.
most Jamaican in this time now, to call African, they don't feel
They don't feel
no. First time. You understand? So we take time coming out of the brainwash.
Okay.
Yeah. Most Rastaman, they say Africa is our heaven.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what the Rastafarians say, that Africa is our heaven.
Our heaven.
Wow.
Right.
Wow.
Yeah. So when we say we going home, we going Africa.
How going home in Africa? Going to
anywhere in
the paradise.
Africa, and the land, Africa,
the motherland.
motherland, the fatherland,
Wow.
the land of the living,
They're living. Yeah.
the land of the black faces.
Wow.
That is us.
Man, it's interesting. You know?
Where Africa are you from?
Ghana.
Ghana.
Yeah.
Yeah, video me, man.
Yeah. You look like an auntie, you know?
Eh?
You
You
look
look
like-
like your auntie.
Yeah.
You look, so why you don't bring me up there?
You wanna go to Africa?
Yeah.
I can take you to Ghana.
Father, go bring me up there.
Sorry?
A father.
Ah, your father.
No. A father, a priest.
Ah, yeah, okay.
Don't bring me up there.
Oh, okay.
I want to go to Africa. I love Africa.
Yeah, Africa is nice, you know? Africa is nice. Yeah. You have to visit one day.
Yeah. Can I only just spend Africa? I love up there, man. I love the people.
We're all the same, you know? You're
We're
all the same.
But Coco don't put it in bad. Yeah.
I used to share better oil that I used to do. Share better oil now.
Come with them.
You need to visit one day, Africa.
Africa is nice place. We love chronic from Terry Spanish Town.
Yeah.
We love we receive Africa, brother. You know, Africa, Jamaica.
Yeah, you need to visit.
Africa, like young people cut off head.
No, it's never true. They will not cut off your head. No, it's never true.
No, that's the picture them paint.
Yeah. But it's never true. It's never true. That's like the wrong impression, or like wrong teaching.
Everybody Africa wear come here. Everybody this, everybody that. Watch it.
Watch it, same color. See, same color.
I have a family.
Only the language that changes.
Yes, you have a family, man.
Exactly.
You have a brother.
Africa, you're blending just like if you're not talking, nobody knows.
Exactly. You see that?
Like African.
Yeah.
Because we never start talking about them from a different country a while ago.
Yeah. You see?
Your family?
That's why.
Yes.
Friend.
Run by your way. Stay run by your way. Okay.
No, Africa is beautiful, just like here. Sea, beaches, all those places, nice food.
And the motherland, they say in the brother, all of the
Yeah, motherland, yeah, exactly the word.
What I want to go
They say it come from-
the earth and plant some diamond.
Oh, what do you fear? What do you fear for Africa?
Sorry?
What do you fear for Africa?
What you fear?
Fear, the plain fear for Africa.
No, there's no. I play fear. It depends. It depends. When the book get tickets early, you get like $600.
See, like when you're going to America, you depends on the time when you book your ticket.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.